Here we are over in Leeds this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer who's renovating his whole house. Here, the overhang is quite big, so we've used an 18 by 12 galvanised bracket, a 3-foot mast, and our own aluminium pole mount. Wired it in Cat 6 cable straight down and in, with a nice deco unit there. Backhauled out of that into the loft room. Got another deco wirelessly in that room, and then one more Cat 6 cable right the way through into his metal garage. Customers receiving speeds of 250 megabytes plus per second. This is Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.